record.
Joshua McKelligan, McKelligan.
Where do you work?
Massachusetts State Police.
How long have you been with the state police?
Since December 2013.
In January of 2023, where were you assigned?
To the Plymouth County District Attorney's Office.
And what was your role there?
I was a trooper assigned to the homicide and major crime section.
And could you tell us, within that unit, what the role of a case officer is?
Case officer is assigned cases as they come in, and the case officer then is the point of contact for the district attorney's office, the state police, other agencies.
And as a case officer for a homicide, for example, when you respond to a scene and you're doing the investigation as time progresses, is the case officer doing every part of the investigation?
No.
What is the role of a case officer in terms of managing or collecting information?
Is to try to gather everything, and then we try to keep track of what's been going on with the investigation.
And so within the State Police Detective Unit at the Plymouth County DA's office, there are a group of troopers that work there, correct?
Yes.
And do you work as a team on any homicide investigations you're working on?
Yes.
And the case officer, is it their role to collect information and evidence from the other troopers as they gather it?
Yes.
Do you have a supervisor when you are the case officer?
Yes.
I want to direct your attention to January 24th, 2023. Did you learn that day of an incident that had happened at 47 Summer Street in Duxbury?
I did.
What time did you learn about that, approximately?
About 6:45 p.m.
PM? And how did you learn that information?
The duty lieutenant in the state police headquarters in Middleborough called me.
Once you had that information, what did you do?
I called my supervisor and then responded to Duxbury.
And where in Duxbury did you respond?
I went to Duxbury Police Station.
And at that point in time, did you know that you were going to be the case officer for this case?
Not when I responded, but at the police station, I was informed I was going to be.
And at some point in time, did you go to 47 Summer Street in Duxbury?
I did.
And when was that?
After I got a search warrant, I went to the house. It was probably, I think, around early morning, between 3 and 4, sometime like that.
Between 3 and 4 a.m.?
Yes.
So it'd be the early morning hours of January 25th, 2023?
Yes.
And did you take part in the search of the home?
I did not.
What was your role there at the home that night, or in the early morning hours?
I just went to observe the house, just to see what the scene in the house looked like.
So other officers were conducting the search?
Yes.
At the scene, did you eventually walk through the house?
Yes.
And was that before or after the search was executed?
After the search.
At some point in time, did you go into the master bedroom on the second floor?
Yes.
And what did you observe in that room?
I remember a tent style, like covering a crib, I believe. There was a mirror in front of me. To the left, there was the bed. And then I remember blood on the floor. And
you said to the left, but pointed with your right arm?
No, it was my left hand.
Your left, okay.
Yes.
All right. So you go into the bedroom, and what do you see anything on the floor, on the walls, the bedding, anything?
Yes, just going off of memory, I remember there was blood on the floor, and the mirror was kind of like straight ahead from the entrance of the door.
Okay. And was a video taken of the house that included that room in particular?
Yes.
I'd like to move to submit the scene video from the home as the next exhibit.
Any objection? No. All right, that may be admitted.
264. And if we could play the portion of the video for the master bedroom.
Sure.
Thank you. Sir, when you went into the master bedroom, did you see blood sprayed all over the walls and everywhere?
No.
And fair to say that the video shows all of the walls in the bedroom and doesn't show any spatter or anything on the walls?
Yes.
Did you also go outside into the backyard and look at the exterior of the home?
Yes.
We could have the photos, please. If we could zoom in on the top window. Does this photo show the condition of the upstairs window, the second floor window that leads to the master bedroom?
Yes.
And the screen there in the video, is that how it was when you saw it that night?
Yes.
Pushed up?
Yes.
And if we could see the next photo. Maybe go back to the first one. Actually, we can go back, yes, to the first one and zoom in the middle there between the two windows. And these areas of red-brown stains on the exterior of the house, did you observe those that night on in the early morning hours of January 25th, 2023?
Yes.
And then the third photo, please. We could zoom in on the in there. Would this be, this third photo, would this be the first floor window below the master bedroom window?
Yes.
And these red-brown stains on the shingles and then on the window ledge there, were those there in the early morning hours of January 25th, 2023?
Yes.
Could we have these three photos marked as the next exhibit on the disc?
Any objection? All right, they may be admitted.
Exhibit 265.
Now, as the investigation proceeded, did you learn, or did other officers learn from Patrick Clancy that the defendant was on some psychiatric medication?
Yes.
And was that information relayed to you in terms of preparing the search warrant?
Yes.
And is that why you included prescription medication in the search warrant?
Yes.
At that point in time, did you or any of the other officers know that the defendant had crushed up pills and taken them that night?
No.
At some point in time, did Patrick Clancy bring pill bottles to the state police and turn them over?
Yes, he did.
And where did he say those were from?
In the center console of his truck, not the top section, the section underneath it.
Did he tell you at some point that pills had been found in the nightstand drawer?
Yes, he did.
And that was in the master bedroom?
Yes.
And did he tell you who he found those with?
Yes, he did.
And who was that?
His attorney?
And did he tell you why he gave those pills?
Objection, I believe it was me, and I'm not his attorney.
But that's what, why don't you re-ask that, what it was that Patrick Clancy said?
What was it that Patrick Clancy said? Did he give you a name or just say my attorney?
He said Kevin Reddington.
And did he tell you why he gave the pills to Attorney Reddington instead of giving them to you like he gave the other pills?
No, he did not.
He never attempted to turn those pills into the state police, or those bottles into the state police. Is that correct?
Correct.
At some point in time, did you learn that the Clancy family had gone to the Museum of Science on January 8th, 2023?
Yes.
And was a video obtained?
Yes.
Did you watch that video?
Yes.
Did you observe the family, including the defendant, interacting with each other, and the defendant specifically interacting with the children and exhibits at the museum?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this point in time, Exhibit 14, I'd asked to play just a small portion of that. It has not been played previously.
All right.
We could pause here for just a moment. Do you see the Clancy family in this video footage?
Yes.
And if you could just get up and point to them with the court's permission.
Sure.
Okay. And we could press play. And at this point in time in the video, are we seeing Patrick Clancy take Dawson Clancy out of that room, leaving Lindsay Clancy with Callan and Cora?
Yes.
Is that Cora there in the red skirt?
Yes.
Now, at this point in the video, at approximately 11:58 and 30 seconds, what is happening in the video footage now?
Cora's beginning to play with the exhibit. Patrick's standing off by himself. Lindsay Clancy is with Callan, and Dawson is watching.
Could you just point out where Patrick and Dawson are? For the record, you've pointed to Patrick towards the top of the screen and Dawson near the entrance to the exhibit.
Yes. Yes.
And throughout this video, in this portion of the video, can the defendant be seen instructing the children, pointing to them, showing them how to work the exhibit and operating some type of control panel?
Yes.
And at some point, does the switch and the defendant helps Dawson with the same exhibit?
Yes.
And that goes on for several minutes.
Yes, I believe so.
And showing, I think we've gone forward to approximately noon in the video timer. Thank you. Excuse me. Sir, during the grand jury process, did you attend a meeting with the medical examiner in this case?
Yes.
And did you participate in interviewing her, specifically Dr. Barbara Vidal Olson?
Yes.
And did you participate in interviewing her, specifically the portion of her proposed testimony where she was explaining how someone dies from strangulation?
Yes.
And would it be fair to say that at some point in time, she was asked...
Objection.
Counsel sidebar.
Sir, in that meeting with the medical examiner, did she tell you that constant pressure would need to be applied even after the person went unconscious in a strangulation in order to effect death?
Yes.
Did she tell you that it takes several minutes of continuous pressure to cause
Can we
death?
not have leading questions? If this is going to be admitted, can we not have leading questions? It's her witness.
You want to ask him what she said. And then
Do you recall? Sorry.
Go ahead.
Do you recall what she said about the time it takes to strangle someone to death?
After unconsciousness, I think she said several minutes. It would take several more minutes for someone to die.
And would that be several more minutes of strangulation?
Yes.
I have no further questions. Thank you.
All right. Ms. Rayton.
So she asked you about the pills that were located in the master bedroom by Patrick when I was with him, right?
Yes.
And you know that Patrick indicated that after you guys had cleared the scene, finished with your investigation, seized all the pill bottles that you were able to locate, that I went in the house with him and I took a number of items, photographs, albums, things on the wall and stuff like that, right?
All I know is the pill bottles. I don't know what else she took.
Oh, just the pill bottles. And at some point I imagine the DA must have shown you this, recognize this as being the nightstand drug.
It looks similar to the one that was in the video.
See it? You look at it?
I mean, it looks similar to the one. I've never seen that. I don't know.
Okay. So these would be the bottles that were in there, right?
I don't know.
I don't know. And do you know that when these were seized, the first thing that was done is I contacted the DA's office and said that I had them?
I don't know what you said to them.
If you want to come by my office and pick up anything I have, you're welcome to look at it, seize it, have it analyzed, send it to a crime lab. I didn't care.
I don't know what you said.
So, yeah. Thank you.
All right. He redirect?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.